We got a week to
Come on,
fix this.
Nike, Jordan Brand, what y'all doing?
What's good? Hey, welcome back to our channel. Hey, appreciate you guys tuning in today. But hey, me and my bro just wanted to jump on out here. It's Sunday, right? And what's going on with this sneaker app, bro? What's going on with
Yeah,
that?
I don't know. I was tripping on that too. That's why we coming at you all live. Want to give y'all this quick information. Let me know what y'all think. As I
Right.
was looking, there is supposedly two scheduled releases this week on the 14th and the 16th. We got the Jordan 6 low and the Jordan 2 low coming out on both of those days, but ain't nothing actually loaded up on the sneakers app. And it's kind of strange. I was thinking about it. Ain't this weekend Father's Day?
Hey, and you know it is. You know it's
Yeah,
Father's
that's what I'm
Day.
saying.
So that don't
And
make
so,
any sense, to not have that updated if you do have releases out. You should
yeah,
go ahead
because,
and publish that.
what do we want as fathers? What do we want? We want J's on our feet.
Hey, that's it. All day long. Hey, come on, man. Not on Father's Day. Like who
Yeah, I
who
mean,
who making
I
that decision?
heard things were shaking up over there. I heard Nike was shaking up things over there at the top, but this is
Okay.
ridiculous.
Hey man, it don't
This
make
is
sense. It
it's
don't make
always a good
sense.
time when I can get free Jordan. Hey honey, I wouldn't mind getting a pair of these. They came out this weekend. Some free J's.
Yeah. Well, what can I get them for Father's, right? And then we put some literature on the dining room table. The releases out. Hey, or we have our phone. You know what I mean? Keep it unlocked where you
Yeah,
got the app right there. Come on, man. Who making that decision? That don't make no
yeah. I
sense
don't
at
know.
all. We got a week. We got a week to fix this. We got a week to
Come on,
fix this.
Nike, Jordan Brand, what y'all doing?
Hey, come on now. I go on the website. I see they got the twos coming out 17th. I see that, right? But the app is where you get all the action. The true volume of what's not this
Yes, sir.
website. So whoever making those decisions, the sneakerhead bros are reaching out to y'all. Just drop it on the app. Can they do
Yeah, make it
that?
happen.
Can they do
Make it
that?
happen. I need a new pair of shoes for Saturday for Father's Day.
You want them
Yeah, free
J's.
pair of shoes. Everybody
Hey,
like free pair of shoes
hey, on Father's Day.
on Father's
Hey,
Day.
I wouldn't even mind going out to Golden Corral with them on.
Then
Go
people gonna
ahead.
be asking you, hey, where you get those from? When those come out? Say I got
Right.
them today, but it takes 7 days for them to ship them. So we supposed to get them last week, Father's Day shoes, I guess.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't tell me on Father's Day I got some J's for you, but you can't get them until 2 weeks. Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
Not on Father's Day. When I get their gift is right there, ready to open up, put on, spray on, whatever they want to do, eat. But you give me mine and say, hey, it'll be here next week. Don't do me
I
like
guess
that
you
on
got to go.
Father's Day.
I guess you got to go pick up them wash ones that are sitting everywhere.
Hey, hey, how long? Hey, they've been sitting about on the 10th. So, hey, it is what it is, my brother. Hey, if you like content like this, check out that.
Well, how we always say it for sure. When you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.